In this lesson, you'll learn how to manage appointments and access client information using Anywhere and online CICs. You can manage appointments and access client information from your smartphone, tablet, or computer with Shortcuts Anywhere and online client information cards, which are referred to as online CICs. These features are interconnected, which makes managing appointments and client information completely seamless and portable. To access your appointments from your tablet or computer, log into your Smart System console and click on the Anywhere tile. If you have access to multiple sites, select a site. Depending on your access level, you may be required to enter a PIN number. This will take you to the appointment book where you'll see all of your appointments for the next 7 days. To access Anywhere on your smartphone, visit console.shortcutsoftware.com and log in with your username and password. Once you've logged in, you'll see a menu screen where you can access your appointments, view client information, and view a calendar which shows the number of appointments you have scheduled for each day. Unlike the appointment book in Shortcuts, the Anywhere appointment book is filtered to only show one employee at a time. Depending on your access level, you may be able to view other employees' appointments as well as your own. If you have access, click here to select an employee. The date range you're currently viewing is displayed at the top of the appointment book. You can use these buttons to view different days, the same way you would navigate through the appointment book in Shortcuts. Select your name in the top right corner to view more options. Here you can edit your user profile or press lock to bring up the PIN screen. If you have access to multiple sites, you can click here to switch sites. You can click here to access the client information screen where you'll see a list of clients for the day. Click here to return to the appointment book. If you'd like to see a calendar view, select Month View. This allows you to view the number of appointments scheduled for each day. You can use these arrows to view different months. If you want to view a particular week, you can click on that week to select it. Anywhere allows you to make appointments as well as move, reschedule, cancel, and mark appointments as arrived. Your access to these functions will depend on your security level. To make an appointment, select a time slot on the desired day. Then either search for a client or add a new client. If you choose to add a new client, you'll be taken to a new screen where you can enter the client's details. When you search for a client, you'll have the options to edit the client's details or select the client. Select the client to continue making the appointment. Select the relevant service category, then select a service. The price will then be displayed and a drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to choose an employee. A note will be added to the appointment. The note indicates that the appointment was booked via Anywhere and shows who it was booked by. Once you're finished selecting the services, press Search. A list of available appointment times will be displayed. Press Book to select a time slot. And the appointment is now displayed on the appointment book. To view a particular client's history, select their appointment and press Client History. At this point, you'll need to enter your Shortcuts PIN number if you haven't already entered it since you've been logged into Anywhere. This screen shows a list of all the services and products the client has purchased, as well as any history notes and forms they've filled out. You can add history notes for today by typing them into this box. Click here to go back to the appointment book. To mark an appointment as arrived, select the appointment, then press Arrive. To move an appointment, select it, and press Move. Then click on the area you want to move the appointment to. To reschedule an appointment, select the appointment, and press Reschedule. You can then change the date and time of the appointment, and click Search. Then press Book to select the new appointment time. If you need to cancel an appointment, simply select it and press Cancel. then press Confirm. The appointment has now been removed from the appointment book. Now that you understand Anywhere and online CICs, you can manage appointments and access client information from your smartphone, tablet, or computer.